What do you do when you have the most popular LEGO keyboard in the world? Well, you make it better. That's exactly what KBDcraft did with the Adam R2. And to celebrate reaching 1000 subscribers, I'll be giving away this keyboard to one of you. I'll share giveaway instructions later in this video. For now, let's take a look at what's new with the Adam. There are basically 3 new things with the R2. You get a new case color. This now comes in a grey option. You get a latex sound pad. And lastly, you get some rubber feet. KBDcraft also sent me these new wrist rests. You can get this as an add-on, and they are backwards compatible with the R1. The price for the Adam is the same as the earlier version. You can get the bare bones kit for $60 or the full kit with switches and keycaps for $100. I've left a discount code in the description if you want to pick one of these up. I'm not going to cover the whole build process this time. It's practically the same as the R1 that I reviewed. Check out that video if you want to see the build process. The only minor differences with the R2 build are adding the latex sound pad inside the case before installing the core, and sticking the rubber feet to the bottom of the board. I also noticed that the stabilizers were factory looped this time. The stabilizers with the R1 came dry from the factory. Here's what the KBDcraft Adam R2 sounds like. So, what do I think about the Adam R2? I really like the new color option. Grey is closer to black, which is my favorite color, so that fit my desk setup much better than the white version. They both look good though, so this is a very subjective taste. As you probably heard, the latex sound pad does help mute the sound of the R2, but not by much. You won't notice a difference unless you have both keyboards side by side. What you can notice though is how bad the factory loop stabilizers sound. If you're getting the R2, I'd still recommend looping the stabilizers yourself. It makes a world of difference. Another thing that makes a world of difference is the rubber feet. My main complaint with the R1 was that it slides around the desk way too easily. That's completely fixed with these rubber feet. Honestly, I'd be happy with this upgrade alone. And guess what? I somehow managed to scuff one of the pieces. Again, I don't remember dropping or stepping on it this time. Either this was not caught during the QC process, or I'm forever cursed to scuffing LEGO pieces. Lastly, I want to talk about the wrist rests. They look very cool, and they really add to the whole LEGO vibe. But I have one complaint. KBDcraft included instructions to assemble the wrist rest, but they didn't include instructions on how to actually attach it to the case. I had to dig up the PDF online, and I was surprised to find out that they should have been installed before finishing the build. I didn't feel like dismantling half the keyboard for this, so I just used them detached. If you're planning on attaching the wrist rest to the case, check out the PDF I link in the description before starting your build. Overall, the upgrades to the R2 are really nice. At its core, this is still the same great keyboard that the R1 was. And it's great to see that KBDcraft is improving it as they go. I'd recommend the Adam to anyone who wants to try a fun keyboard built entirely from LEGO. Now, on to the giveaway. Here's how you can win this keyboard. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment on the video by 25th April. I'll use a random comment picker to choose one of your comments. To announce the winner, I'll upload a short video at the end of this month, so don't forget to watch that to see if you've won. Thank you so much for supporting the channel and making all of this possible. Good luck with the giveaway, and I'll catch you in the next one.